In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply an Airbnb coupon. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser, then sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you continue, especially if you have travel credits or promotional offers tied to that profile. Once you're in, begin searching for your destination, choose your dates, and browse the available stays until you find the one you want to book. After selecting your stay, move forward by choosing Reserve or Request to Book, depending on how that listing is set up. At this stage, you'll be taken into the booking flow, where Airbnb will guide you through the final reservation details. Take a moment here to carefully review everything before you continue to payment. This includes the dates, number of guests, pricing breakdown, and any other booking details. It's always a good idea to double check this information now so there are no surprises later. As you proceed to checkout, this is where your Airbnb coupon or promotional credit may come into play. In many cases, if your coupon is eligible, Airbnb will apply it automatically during the payment process. So before entering anything manually, look closely at the total and the price breakdown to see whether a discount has already been added. If Airbnb gives you the option to enter a coupon or promo code, type it into the designated field exactly as provided. Be careful with spacing and spelling, since promo codes usually need to match precisely in order to work. After entering it, confirm the code, and then check the booking total again to make sure the discount has actually been applied. This step is important because not every promotion works on every stay. Some offers may only apply to certain listings, dates, locations, or account types. That's why verifying the updated total before paying is essential. You want to be sure the discount is reflected clearly before completing the reservation. Once you've confirmed that the coupon or promotional credit has been applied correctly, go ahead and complete your payment to finalize the booking. After the reservation is confirmed, review your booking confirmation as one last check. Look for the final total and any discount information to make sure everything processed correctly. And that's it. That's how to apply an Airbnb coupon and confirm that the discount was successfully included in your booking.